Alright, can you read if I write? Yeah. What is the slope of the line tangent to the curve, blah, 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 at the point 1, comma, pi over 2? So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative of all of that, and then we're going to plug in 1 for x, and we're going to plug in pi over 2 for y. So what is the derivative of this? Well, pi is just a coefficient in this case. So we'll take the derivative. We have to use the chain rule here because we have a function on the outside and y is a function on the inside. So the derivative of sine is cosine. So we will have pi times cosine of y. You keep the inside the same. So the derivative of the outside with the inside the same times the derivative of the inside. So that's dy dx. And then we got to use the product rule. The way I do the product rule here is by considering 2x, the first function, and y, the second function. So I can do first d second plus second d first, right? The derivative of 2x is just 2. And then equals 0. So right away, I'll subtract that over. And then I'll also factor out a dy dx. So I'll get dy dx times pi cosine of y plus 2x, and that will equal negative 2y. And then I'll divide both sides by that stuff. So I get dy dx equals negative 2y over pi cosine of y plus 2x. And so we have it. There we go. Now let's plug in 1 and pi over 2. If I plug in pi over 2 for y, what do I get? Negative 2, the 2's cancel out, so I just get negative pi in the top. And then plug in 1 for x, so that becomes plus 2. So plus 2. And then cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So that goes to 0. So I get negative pi over 2. Do we really write it? But there you go. That's it. Good today.